Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today is the first of 3 special Christmas pizza videos. And today we're going to be making a Christmas calzone using all the leftovers that you probably get from your Christmas Day dinner.
Yeah, this is the Boxing Day calzone. We have named it because, as they said, you can use all your leftovers. Turkey, pigs in blanket, some stuffing,
Cranberry sauce.
and cranberry sauce.
And what we're going to do is we're going to put it into a calzone, and then we're going to cook it in the rock box, and then we're going to come back here and give it a try, see what it actually tastes like.
I've got one question though. What's a pig in blanket?
Pigs in blankets, for those that don't know, and it could be many things, it is a sausage that's wrapped in bacon and baked in the oven.
And then is consumed.
Yeah, with Christmas Day dinner. So that's just what a pig's in blanket is. Not literally a pig with a blanket over the top of it. So that's definitely not what it is. So without further ado, let's go over and make that Christmas calzone. Okay, so again we're using the Caputo Pizzeria pizza dough here, and check the description for the recipe that we've been using. So just flattening this out and making this into quite a slightly wider pizza base, because we're going to be using a calzone. Oliver, what do you reckon to this one?
The calzone worked quite well. You have just got to watch the bottom of it, though, as they do tend to get a bit burnt.
Yep, that's right. You just got to be really careful, and you'll notice in a bit that we have the oven temperature slightly lower on this particular recipe, and we don't go in with the flame. So on with the cranberry sauce. What do you think of the cranberry sauce rather than tomato, Oliver?
The cranberry sauce, sometimes it was a bit sweet, so try not to apply too much, but tomato sauce would also work quite well.
Yeah, I try to not put too much on this, because of course you can end up with it burning with all the sugar and stuff. So on with the stuffing balls, on with the pigs in blankets, and on with that turkey. This is a Boxing Day spectacular plate, this one, I think, and it'll work really well for you on Boxing Day. So I'm just going to fold that over, and what we'll do next is we'll start to crimp it. What do you reckon to me crimping, Oliver? Any good?
Yeah, it was quite good, and also when you are cooking this, please remember to put some holes in the top, because you do not want it exploding.
Nope, you certainly don't want it exploding, and yeah, making sure that you go around with a fork as well, and that just pushes those edges right in, so it doesn't come open whilst you're cooking. And there you go, on cue, the fork. So let's get that on the peel, and we'll just put a bit of a curl in it, and let's put it in the oven. Okay, so into the oven, 350 on this one, no flame to start off with, so we just want to bake it. But then after 3 minutes, it's got with a flame on, and we're just going to give that a bit of a turn round, and then gently back into the oven. What were your observations on this one, Oliver?
Observations, it seemed to work quite well, but noticing on the bottom you did get quite a bit of charring.
Yeah, there's a bit of charring on there, but nothing too major. Right, okay, let's open her up. Nice and crunchy.
It's not too burnt.
Oliver, you can have that side. Give it a try. That's pretty good. What do you think?
Yeah, it's pretty nice. The turkey, cranberry sauce and sage and onion stuffing are working quite well. It's a nicely cooked base.
There you go.
If you have got this stuff left, you will need to make sure you do slice your turkey quite thinly. Just make sure you don't overstuff it. Like, you got to make sure it's full, but you don't also want to make sure you don't want to make it too full.
Less is more.
Yeah, but calzone, you still need it to be full.
But it's pretty rare to get pigs in blankets on Boxing Day.
Yeah.
Because they are the premier league of accompaniments on a Christmas dinner, don't you think?
Yeah, we are, but you know, if you do happen to have some left, it's okay, but you know.
So do you give this one a go? We think our subscribers should give this one a go?
Yes. Say try not to use too much cranberry because you don't want to make it too sweet. But you know, generally it's quite nice. So what would you give it on pizza rating scale?
I think for using leftovers, and in case you know, after your turkey dinners on Christmas Day, I would say this is a nice 10 of something else to do with different other than eating it cold with bread and butter, which is what you wouldn't traditionally have it with. Well, you would do in England anyway.
Yeah.
Oliver?
Ability and for, you know, the good idea, it's a 10 out of 10. You know, it's a great idea. On the taste, it's like I said, 8 for taste.
Excellent. All that remains for me to say is Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
And we look forward to joining you again in 2024 with some more fantastic videos coming right up. So all that remains to say is bye for now.